Hey there, everybody. It's Mr. C here on this beautiful Monday morning. And actually, it's not even morning. It's 3:20. It's crazy. I can't even keep the time straight, let alone the days. So, anyways, how are you all? I hope you're well. I'm doing great. It's a beautiful day. I had a walk a little bit ago and thought I would share one of my favorite books. So, those of you that have worked with me in my room, you may already know this book. Maybe it's new to you if you've not. It's called What's That Noise? It's by William Carmen. And this little boy here hears a noise in the middle of the night. And all throughout the book, he's trying to figure out what's that noise. This book, the illustrations are absolutely amazing. So I'll share them with you as we go, because they're part of the fun of this book. Okay, and you'll see all throughout the book there's this like little, well, maybe from where you are sitting through the video, looks like just a little line, but when you look really close, and let's see if I can zoom in, there are a bunch of letters. So I'm assuming that's the noise that the boy is hearing. So I'm going to back this up a little bit, and I'm going to shift myself to the side, and I'm going to share this with you, and I hope you enjoy it. What's That Noise? By William Carmen. What's that noise? Are the neighbors mowing the lawn? See him sitting there in his bed, wondering what all that noise is. So, the way that William Carmen put this book together is after the boy shares what he thinks the noise is, the next page is what he imagines that idea would be if it is actually the neighbor mowing the lawn. You can see this picture is in black and white. There's no other text on that page, so all you have is that really rich illustration. But when he looks out, and again back in color, doesn't see the neighbor. Lawnmower sitting out in the backyard all by itself. But still in the air is that. Alright. What's that noise? I wonder if a UFO is landing in my backyard. And on the next page, in black and white, this is what he imagines it would look like if it was, in fact, a UFO landing in his backyard. But when he looks out, no UFO, just the sound still in the air. What's that noise? Could there be a monster in my closet? He looks inside. Ooh, imagines what that monster might look like if, in fact, there's a monster in his closet. Well, let's see what happens when he opens the closet for real. Nope, no monster. But the sound is still there. What's that noise? It better not be an octopus in the bathtub. That would be some octopus. Scary. Look at all those legs. All those tentacles. Nope. No octopus in the bathtub. Just the shadow from the shower curtain that has octopuses on it. But the sound still lingers in the air. I hear it in the hall. It sounds like a bear in Mom and Dad's bedroom. Oh my, look at that bear hovering over Mom and Dad's bed. I hope it's not a bear. I've got to warn them. He's pretty brave as he's exploring what the sound is. He opens up the bedroom door. Have you figured out what the sound is? It was just Dad snoring. And that's the story of What's That Noise? I hope you enjoyed it. You know, books like this are awesome because for those of you that enjoy a good picture book, it's really important to remember that a lot of the magic and really a lot of the story is often told just as much in the illustrations as it is the words. And William Carmen does such a good job pairing his words, his text, with this beautiful illustration that he also created to let us know kind of what the boy is imagining and thinking as he's trying to solve this mystery in the middle of the night, and then giving us a sense of what he actually finds as he considers all these possibilities, and all the while streaming that sound as it comes through. Also, I thought it was very clever, and I didn't say this as I read it, but each time he had a certain idea of something that he thought it might be, there's something in his room that kind of gave him that idea. So when he was thinking about the UFO, there was this UFO hanging from his room. When he was thinking it might be a monster in his closet, there on the chair is a toy monster. So each time something in his environment, something in his room made him think of that possibility. So, I hope you enjoyed this book. Next time you crack open a good picture book, remember to take the time to not only read and enjoy the words, but also the pictures, because they are as much a part of the story as the words are. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you have a great day. Take care, and I'll see you soon.